Hi, this is Mike from SwimEx, and today's maintenance tip will be going over replacing your button assemblies. The tools that you'll need to do this activity be a small standard screwdriver, a small Phillips screwdriver, and some tape.
Okay, so the very first step, this assumes that you've tried to clean your buttons and they're still sticking. Over time, these will wear and you'd want to replace them. So step one, you'd want to take a small flat screwdriver and you're just going to pop off the decorative trim, the black and white. On this video, we're going to focus on replacing the fast and slow. Those are usually the ones that get work the most. Real easy to replace them. You do it from inside the pool. Actually standing inside the pool may actually make it easier. So step one, you'll take your screwdriver and just insert it inside the first decorative trim and then just pry outward. And that outer ring should come off and then the center piece comes right out. Set that aside and repeat the same process for the other decorative trim. Okay, second step is to peel off the silver SwimEx Fast Slow sticker. Just insert that in the corner and work it around the edge. And that will reveal the rectangular black panel with 4 Phillips screws in each corner. Step 3, we'll go ahead and remove these Phillips screws. These are number 6s, about 3/4 of an inch long. Okay, and then set aside those 4 screws. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and work this black panel free. We usually put a little bit of silicone on the back side of this so it would adhere to the pool wall. So if you play with it with a little bit, you should be able to get it to break free. And then this whole assembly should come towards you in the pool. Okay, and then once you have the panel out, your air tubes will be connected on the back side of the buttons. These are the air tubes that run over to your control system. You just simply disconnect those off the little nipple that's on the back side, and you may just want to tape them so they don't run down below deck on you. Got this one taped up, and my second one is right on the inside where I can see it, so it's not going anywhere. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and get your new panel ready with the button cylinders. Each button cylinder's got a little plastic nut on it. Just simply want to thread that off. Fit the button cylinder through the front of the panel and then thread on tightly the plastic nut on the back of the panel. And then you want to go ahead and repeat this for the second button cylinder. Okay, the next step is to go ahead and now take your new panel with button cylinders and connect it to your existing air tube. These just slide onto the little nipples on the back side. So you want to take the air tube and just slide that on. Don't have to force it. When it's nice and snug, you're done. Now repeat for the second button cylinder. Okay, now that you got both your air tubes connected, go ahead and recert the panel with the 2 button cylinders and those air tubes attached on the back side back in. And you're going to go ahead and install your 4 number 3 Phillips screws in. Be sure to tighten them down all the way so the sticker doesn't stick up when we put that on next. Okay, next step is to take your brand new silver decal and just carefully peel off the paper on the back side. It's self-adhesive, and then we'll go ahead and stick that right onto the pool. Just center it on those button cylinders and press firmly. Okay, now last step, we'll go ahead and put the decorative covers back on. You got the outer donut and the centerpiece. Insert one in the other and just press that in. And same process. There you go. And that completes replacing the button assembly on your SwimEx pool.